we are going to see now the chemical properties of metals, okay, and non-metals with acids. So metals, how they react with acid? Metals react with acids. How do they react with acids? Okay. Now, first the metal, when it react with acid, they will give metal, that is salt. They will give salt plus hydrogen gas. What is that? Hydrogen gas. This is the main thing. Okay. The salt may vary according to the acid, but hydrogen gas is common. Okay. What is the nature of hydrogen gas? It will be coming as bubbles. It is colorless gas. It is odorless. It gives spark sound when you see, when you are making that metal. I put one metal in an acid. It gives salt and hydrogen gas. It will be evolved. The gas will come up. It has the nature of coming up. When I lit a matchstick near that, or a splinter, which gives spark of light, that will give pop sound. What gas sound will be coming? Pop sound. Just a pop sound. If you put magic pop in your mouth, it gives sound, that is called pop sound. So hydrogen, when it is introduced into a splinter or a matchstick, when it is lit, it will give pop sound. That confirms that the gas involved is hydrogen gas. So when metal react with acid, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. And the hydrogen gas is colorless, odorless. Okay. When you lit a splinter near that, it will give pop sound. Okay, let us see some example for that. Okay. For example, I am just putting zinc in hydrochloric acid. Okay, it gives salt, I said no, it gives zinc chloride. What is that? It is zinc. It is hydrochloric, it is a metal. Okay, it is hydrochloric acid. Some more exercise is given in your book, that we will do it. First we will see the sample. So zinc, when it is introduced in acid, or in the zinc metal, when you pour a hydrochloric acid, they will give zinc chloride. Okay, what is the salt at time? Zinc chloride. What else you will be getting? You will be getting hydrogen gas. So gas will have the nature of going up, so it should be, we have to put upward arrow mark. Okay. So this is one example. Instead, if I put sulfuric acid, you will be getting zinc sulfate. If I use nitric acid, you will be getting zinc nitrate. So according to the acid, you will be getting the salt. But hydrogen is common. And you will know that how to test it also. We have to test it with a splinter. It gives what sound? Pop sound. Okay. We are going to see the exercise what is given in your book, page number 49. Just I will be telling you how it reacts. They have given room temperature. What is room temperature? The ordinary temperature which is in the room. Okay. Then warm. I am warming it now. I will take the solution and I will heat it to an extent. So room temperature is normal temperature. Warming means taking the solution and just warming in a Bunsen burner. So the temperature increases. When the temperature increases, the reaction will be fast. When it is ordinary temperature, the reaction will be normal. For example, they have given magnesium, when it reacts with hydrochloric acid, what it gives? No, it gives hydrogen gas. So salt is magnesium chloride. In room temperature, they will give magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. You have to write it. Then the warm condition, the reaction will be fast. We can write it as rapid reaction. The reaction will be fast in warm condition. The same answer, but reaction will be fast. The timing will be very less time it will be taken place. The same if it is put it in magnesium sulfate. So when I put it in hydrochloric acid, it gives magnesium chloride plus magnesium only they have given. So magnesium in hydrochloric acid gives magnesium That is the first one answer. When the metal B, aluminium is given. When I put that metal in hydrochloric acid, it will be giving aluminium chloride. Okay, according to the valency varies, just you can write it aluminium chloride. And it gives hydrogen gas. This also gives hydrogen gas. The same when I use the sulfuric acid, it gives aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate and hydrogen gas. So you can write in room temperature this one, the warm temperature the reaction will be fast, but the same product will be obtained with short duration. Okay, this is about the second method. We are going to see the method iron. How it react with iron? No? Iron will be giving with hydrochloric acid FeCl2 ferrous chloride plus hydrogen gas. With sulfuric acid it gives Fe2SO4 thrice. Okay, it will be ferric sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Same answer in warm condition, but you should write rapid reaction. The reaction will be fast. Okay, so the reaction takes place all the three conditions with magnesium, aluminium, iron. With copper, see, copper is the least reactive metal. They have given dilute acids. This copper, gold, silver or non-metal, that is metals which are noble metals, they will be reacting very slow. And with dilute acids, copper will not react. Copper and other noble metals like silver, gold will not react with dilute acids. So you can write no reaction takes place. No reaction takes place. Here with dilute acid, here also no reaction. Even at the warm condition there will be no reaction. They will not take place. Even warm and room temperature there will be no reaction with dilute acid. Copper will not react with dilute acids. It may react with concentrated acids. Okay. Now the next one is we are going to see the same with the non-metals. How do non-metals react with acids? Okay, non-metals do not react with acid. Same condition. Charcoal is what? It is a carbon content. It will not react with acid. They are non-metals will not react with acids. So there is no reaction with any of the condition. With dilute acid, okay, in room temperature and in warm temperature, charcoal is a non-metal, will not react with acids. So all the conditions there is no reaction. Similarly sulfur. So sulfur powder also will not react with all the acid in normal temperature and in warm condition. This is about the acid. With the non-metal it will not react. So non-metals will not react with acids. So metals will react with acid. Noble metals will not react with acids. These are the conditions. Okay. Shall we go for the bases? Yes. Even metals only few will react with bases. Obviously what happens? Non-metal will not react with bases. So metals few will react with bases. Okay, only few metals with bases. Because it is also basic in nature. So it will react only with few bases. And for example, when zinc is a metal, when it reacts with sodium hydroxide, they will give a complex salt. What's a complex? It will not be simple salt. Okay, here if you see, you can see two metals, but it is a polyatomic ion. You will be studying in higher classes. So it will be a complex salt. And here also you will get this hydrogen gas. This also will be giving pop sound. So we have seen two things. Metals will react with acids. Okay, noble metals will not react with dilute acids. And bases, they will not react with acids. Now metals with bases, only few metals will react with base. That too they will give complex salt. They will liberate hydrogen gas. But you will be getting salt and hydrogen gas in common. Okay. So that is what is in this topic. So metals and non-metals will react with acids. Non-metals will not react with acids. Metals only, high reactive metals and medium reactive metals will react. Least reactive, that is the noble metals, will not react with dilute acids. Bases, only few metals will react with bases will react with metals. Other metals will not react and non-metals will not react with bases. Just you know these things. Okay, we will see in the next session. Thank you.